Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by settling into a balanced stance, feet hip-width, knees soft, weight over arches. Engage your core lightly so hips move with control rather than flopping. Once grounded, practice tiny 0. 5 to 1 inch shifts from side to side on a 4 count. This builds coordination. Make sure to breathe evenly, inhalations on one shift, exhalations on the return help rhythm. These first steps create the motor pattern you'll scale up. Don't rush amplitude until the pattern feels automatic. You now refine isolation. Initiate motion from the pelvis while keeping shoulders and chest relaxed and level so movement reads as hip-specific. Once done, practice a 2-part pattern. Tilt the pelvis forward or to the side, then add a gentle rotation, repeating 8 to 12 reps per side to build control. Make sure to keep arms steady or use them for balance. They should not drive the hips. As control improves, increase amplitude slowly while maintaining smooth transitions and even timing. You finish by integrating rhythm and troubleshooting. Coordinate your hip accents with breath and counts. Try syncing on beats 1 and 3 or 2 and 4, so movement locks to music. Once done, record yourself to evaluate symmetry. Deliberately practice the weaker side about 20% more reps to balance strength. If you notice tension, shoulder involvement, or jerky motion, slow the tempo and drop amplitude until movement is clean. This troubleshooting loop quickly restores fluidity and prevents ingraining.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.